Hey guys, welcome. This is Spencer Connor with Techie Techniques, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do like a basic SEO audit of your competition to see how much competition there is in your niche and then which keywords you need to be targeting. So I'm going to jump right over here into the computer and show you guys how it's done. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys here is an example. So this example is for plumbers in Orlando. So how I determine keywords is I go into Google Keyword Planner here and I type some variations of the keyword in, and then I set my location to Orange County, Florida, which is just a little bit larger than Orlando. This gives me the results for the search volume and the area. In addition to the search volume, this shows me some examples of other keyword variations I maybe have not thought of, such as like long tail keywords. So maybe I want to target them, maybe not. So I see here that plumbing in Orlando is the top keyword. This competition setting right here has really no relevance to organic SEO. That's really only related to Google Ads, which it shows you your prices right here if that's something you're considering. But now I know my keyword. I'm going to type it in Google and then get the first real company that pops up. So right here, this is an ad, Yelp. So then this is the first official business right here. So I pulled their business up and I have this extension for Google Chrome called Site Checker. Site Checker lets me see what their basic on-page SEO is. So I can see that their H1 title here is Orlando Plumber and Repipe Specialist. So they're not actually targeting the exact keyword plumbing in Orlando, which is a potential benefit to us if we're trying to outrank them. So we can see roughly it looks like they have maybe 1,000 words on page as well as a video. So we want to have more than 1,000 words on page and a video. Looks like they have an image, another image. So they have about 5 images as well. So that gives us kind of a to-do list for if we're going to build a landing page to beat them. Now that we know what their on-page SEO looks like, we can kind of see what the back end looks like now. So to determine that, we're going to use 2 free tools. So SpyFu and Ubersuggest are 2 tools that will give us some more information about how strong their SEO is. So here's some analytics on their site to just be aware of. This is the domain authority. Domain authority is basically a compilation of things that Google looks for in a site to determine how accurate their search is, or how accurate their company is. It's basically the company's validity. So how do we manipulate our domain rank? Well, the domain rank can be determined through a few different things, or you can increase your domain rank with a few different things. Mostly for local services, the more backlinks you have from valid local business directories is how you increase that. Some examples of local business directories are the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Apple Maps. Any of those like local business directories will work and increase your domain authority. So the more of those you can get on, if you just Google local business directories, you'll get a list of them in your area. I would never pay to be listed on a local business directory, and the majority of those local business directories are going to like try to solicit you for paid services. I just decline those, but in the end, those will boost your domain authority. Another key factor here is backlinks. Backlinks is what you get from local business directories. Local backlinks are kind of on a scale. So if you get a backlink from a high domain authority site, such as Forbes, like if you got listed on Forbes for like one of the greatest businesses in your local area, that would be a phenomenal backlink that would generate a lot of domain authority. Referring domains is how many domains they actually have references from. For example, if you're like myself and you have an SEO and website development company, if I have my tag on the bottom of a website that says like SEO and web design from techietechniques.com at the bottom of the website, but it's listed on all 20 pages of their website, I'll get 20 backlinks, but it's only one referring domain. So this is how many domains are referring to their website, and that generated this many backlinks. This also gives us an idea of how much traffic, this organic traffic tells us they roughly get 3,322 organic search engine clicks per month. So I like to look at that about maybe like a 5 to 3% return for customers. So only 3 to 5% of that is probably like customers that they're acquiring. from their SEO. If we put, right here is keyword overview. If we put our domain that we're trying to check their competition levels in here, it will return to us what keywords they're ranking for and which ones are giving them the most traffic. We can also click that and get a little bit more information. So that tells us the difficulty to rank for that, which is actually relatively high, but that should not be a deterrent. So we can learn more about their website as well with SpyFu. SpyFu again tells us here how many SEO clicks roughly they're getting from having what position they have. So this just helps us generate a list of potential keywords to target. Here's one final tool now that we know what the top URL is. We can put our domain in here, and this will tell us exactly how much backlinks just this website has. Each individual URL, like for example, if it said /Orlando here, it would tell us how many backlinks this exact URL has. This is a good barometer to figure out how much work we have to do to beat them. So domain rank of 28 just on this link with 532 backlinks and 137 domains, are referring domains. So if we have more backlinks and a higher domain rating, that's how you would beat that company. So if you guys need help, Corey and I offer one-on-one basically assistance where we'll evaluate your website and what your business model is and go ahead and look at what keywords would rank for you. We do this completely for free. Roughly, we're trying to do it once a week. But if you guys found this information helpful, remember to smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And feel free to go ahead and join our meetup group where you can private message us and have a consultation with us completely for free. So we're just looking to provide value and build out some assistance. So if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you for tuning in.